Hi, this is John Mulligan with Search Engine Strategies, San Jose 2008. I'm here with Ken Miller, the CEO of Anchor Intelligence. How you doing, Ken?
I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay. How's the show been treating you? It's the first day when they've opened the expo floor. You seen a lot of traffic?
It is. We have been seeing a lot of traffic. I think it goes in waves depending on the sessions that are in, but it's been real busy today.
Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of people moving in and out. So tell us a little bit about what Anchor Intelligence does.
Yeah, sure. So we provide real-time traffic scoring solutions for online advertising, for advertisers, publishers, ad and search networks, really the entire ecosystem. And those solutions are empowering them to not only detect click fraud and bad malicious activity, but also understand better the performance of the non-fraudulent traffic as well.
That's great. And you were talking to me earlier about about integration with different ad platforms, so people don't have to buy into you completely, right? They can make use of your data and weave it into the way that they're already purchasing or selling their ads in their ad space, right?
That's absolutely right. So we essentially offer a menu of options to our customers. Some are interested in hourly scoring or daily or weekly scoring, and then others are looking for a real-time solution where we're actually in the ad stream and they can make decisions right then on the fly depending on the scores we return.
That's great. And speaking of interesting data streams, there's been some rather interesting graphics scrolling behind us that look very matrixy. So maybe we're going to cut away and the operator can tell us what's happening here.
Absolutely.
There you go.
So this is really cool. What we're looking at here is we're depicting basically a visualization of a client's web traffic activity. The red dots are representing clicks or impressions that are fraudulent, that are not legitimate. The yellow represented the non-billable but non-malicious traffic, things like double clicks, and the green is the good stuff. You'll see here we're moving on to, this is a visual mapping of IP addresses and sort of how IP addresses cluster together. So we use this sort of information working with clients to help them understand the legitimacy of IP addresses mapped to users. And there's a lot of information to glean out of there. And what we're showing a customer often is we're giving them more information, empowering them to use things beyond instruments just such as blacklists, which are very sort of binary. So there's a lot of behavioral information that goes into what we do, a lot of aggregated reputation data that we collect. This one here is showing basically different countries and how IP blocks map within those countries and the legitimacy or the scoring of those IP bands. So lots of good stuff here. This is information we provide to our customers, and it's been very well received. It's very successful so far. So this is Ken Miller, CEO of Anchor Intelligence, reporting from Search Engine Strategies 2008.